So look just where Google Map has taken me to, in between of these green fields, and there is the blue sky behind me. So finally I've reached Koipul. This is the place, this is the wetlands all over here, and this is a small lane. It's raining like cats and dogs. I decided not to stop because I don't think this rain is going to stop.
हम तोड़ गए जब तुम झुकी, तब से तुम नजर में आ रुकी। हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे थालमा अब तो होना है।
Good evening, internet. Welcome back to another new vlog. It is around 4:40 in the evening, and I am out with Mr. for my cycling. Today I have decided to go to a scenic place just near to my home. It is around 12 kilometers on the Google Maps. If you take the walking route, since I am going with my cycle, I chose the walking route in Google Maps. Other than that, if you took the two-wheeler or car mode in the Google Maps, it was showing around 50 kilometers. So the place where I am going, let me check out my phone because I also forgot the name of the place. Basically, I got to know about this place recently from a Facebook page, weekend destination from Kolkata. So the place where I am going today is known as Koipul. Basically, this area is of wetlands, and between the wetlands there is a road that goes in between the wetlands. So hope you all will like this place, and hope I will be also able to enjoy the place myself. These places are like a small getaway just near to my home. So let's check it out in the Facebook page. I got some good review about this place. Let's see in real life how it is. So stay tuned to the video, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video for whatever reason, please to keep the video alive. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So at first I took from Narkel Bagan, Vishwa Bangla Gate. I took a right turn from the Westin Board. So behind me, that is the Westin Hotel, and straight I have to go, and there you can see that is the Amity University over there. And I am taking my cycling out after so many days. Yesterday only I took it out, but before yesterday took out my cycle Whistler before taking my second dose of vaccine. And if you don't know, I have been fully vaccinated by Covaxin, and if you haven't yet got your vaccine, even a single dose of vaccine, if you haven't yet got, please do take it. As I was telling, I am out for cycling after so many days, nearly around 2 to 3. I took my second dose around 28 June, and today is 21st of July. So nearly after 1 month, I am out with Whistler. For those who are new to the channel and don't know who Whistler is the name of my cycle. So old viewers may relate to this name, but for the new viewers, this is my cycle Whistler. So now I have to go through small narrow lanes through the villages of this area. Basically, this area is full of villages.
उड़ गए
So as you saw, these are small alleyways through the villages. I have to follow Google Maps to go between these two narrow lanes. This is quite a different experience to cycle over here. So look just where Google Map has taken me to, in between of these green fields, and there is the blue sky behind me. What a wonderful weather it is. It is around 4:50, and I have just stopped here to say that I will get out of this narrow village lanes. Then only I will get back to you, because it is quite hard to cycle in between these off-roads. So I will get back to you. Since I am vlogging in my phone, I will get back to you when I get some good proper dose. Then I will start vlogging. Okay. So look how beautiful Google Maps is taking us. These beautiful roads, green fields all around. On the right and on the left, there is the tall rise buildings. Just magnificent view from here. The roads are really bumpy, not ideal for this kind of cycle, but still I have to manage. And I have another problem. My air pressure is little bit low, so I have to feel that also on the way. Let's see whether I will get. The place is so beautiful. I have to stop again and again to click photos or videos, because I have time for the sunset. Basically, I am going there to see the sunset. The sky is looking perfect for the sunset. Hope it will be a good sunset. Fingers crossed. And again, I have stopped here. This is a small pond over here with lotus leaves and all. So, and there also, you can see there. There are also small ponds, wetlands over here. What a wonderful experience to be here. Beautiful, fresh breeze is blowing. Perfect weather to cycle as well. And what can be said? I took a good decision of coming here. Now I have to reach there by 5:40. It is around more 7 kilometers from here. Nearly halfway through, 50 minutes from here. So let me put my marks on over here, because while cycling is not recommendable to put your marks, but people here are splitting here, there while riding on a bike. So let me, for my safety, let me put my marks on, then I will continue. And there's nothing more such to show on the road, so I will meet you straight when I reach there. So finally, I've reached Koipul. This is the place. This is the wetlands all over here, and this is a small lane over here. And here I've placed my cycle, and this is the view. Soon the rain will be showering, the cloud burst would be happening, so I have to rush. And so have a watch of this place. Today is so much crowded over here because today is Eid. So Eid Mubarak to everyone watching the video. So because of it, the crowd is too much over here, and all over on the backside there is a huge crowd over here. The place is quite beautiful, but due to the crowd, it's quite risky to be here in this crisis situation. Other than that, the place is quite beautiful. This is my first time over here. On that side, it is clear blue sky, but behind me, that is the black clouds approaching over our head. So, have a watch of this place.
बहकी सभी जुबां है, हम हैं हजारों में, अब की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी.
So from that route I came, and there this is the D route I have taken, and there is my cycle over here, and there is the path towards the village. Many people are going, but these few people are not allowing me to go inside. They are not allowing anyone to go inside. These are the local people. Just check out the view. So now I have to leave this place. It started raining over here, and now I have to run away from here. Hope you all like this video. Hope you all like this place. So I will leave the location of this place in the description. So now let me go and take a shade to get safe from the rain. So bad luck, I won't be able to see the sunset. It is raining, and I don't think in this dark clouds the sunset will be visible. Bad luck. Next time I have to come to show you. But hope you had an idea of this place, how the place looks. Due to rain, all one ways. Now it's around. I will take the bike route in Google Maps now because I won't be going to. It will be dark now. The sun will be down, and I won't be going to this village narrow area. So I will be taking the main road and going home. So now let the rain stop, then I will depart from here.
हम छिप छिपाए, हम नहाए, हम नहाए, ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए, ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम नहाए.
It's raining like cats and dogs. I decided not to stop because I don't think this rain is going to stop. So I will take a bath after reaching home. It's raining heavily. You can see my condition. I am quite disappointed that I am not able to. That I have not able to show you the place properly. Please excuse me and pardon me for that. But in the future I will again come to this place and enjoy the scenic sunset from this place. Today was also crowded. I forgot that in festive days this place would remain crowded. So वो सोच के कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं. Now let me reach home, 12 kilometers from here. And luckily my phone is waterproof, hopefully. So now let me reach home and enjoy this rain. I won't say this rain was a barrier. Instead, I would enjoy this rain and cycle. Just see the view from here.
ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए. ऐसी जीत ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप
Finally,
छिपाए.
after a hard-fought battle, the rain has stopped, and finally I am on the good Mac roads.
बजाए
God, it was quite a tough situation. And while coming, also I followed Google Maps two-wheeler route, and it took me again to a village. Bad roads, flooded roads. It rained heavily in this few 30 minutes. What a bad experience it was. And more 6 kilometers from here to my home. The sky behind looks quite beautiful. Ah, what a tough challenge it was today. A bad luck, actually, I can say.